Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog, and welcome to my house. We got a big day ahead of us.
A 3 wins the series. It's Lillard. He got the shot off. Lillard, good! And
We have a lot of work to do today. If you saw my last upload, I ripped apart my Audi R8, and today's goal simply is to, well, put it back together. Putting a car back together is exponentially more difficult than taking apart. Smash that like button for good luck. Well, for me to have good luck. I mean, you'll get good. Moving on. These are the new AWE tuning straight pipes. We're making upgrades, boys. Roughly 50 pounds will be dropped off the back end of the car. We got the carbon airbox wheels. We have the spoiler, factory bumper. We have a Strat hat. There's a merch link in the description below. I appear to have stepped on that hat at some point. Anyways, I did my very best to keep all of the bolts I removed organized. For example, this is the passenger rear wheel well. There are 2 bolts that are not in a bag. I'm pretty sure these are for the rear diffuser, but I could be wrong. I don't really know. I don't know what to say. I made a mistake. This is the driver's side, and it kind of fits in like so. Check that out. Passenger exhaust is in place. I need to mount it here, but first I need to install the notorious V-band clamp, kind of like so. Whoops, my mistake. Take 2, that's take 2. Driver's side is all fastened up, passenger side as well. I just had some double stuffed Oreos to celebrate. I think we can start it up. I want to make sure there's no exhaust leaks, of course, but ladies and gentlemen, this is a cold startup on a straight pipe 2009 Audi R8. We probably want to open the garage real quick. Also, neighbors, I apologize. Before we get the cold startup, I'm excited to announce that today's video has been sponsored by, wait for it, I'm just kidding. I gotcha. Today's video is not sponsored, but if you have sponsored a video, thank you so much. Also, if you're considering sponsoring a video, Oreo, just something to consider. Anyways, there's part of me that's a little bit nervous right now that the whole engine could explode, or This is really. Yeah. It's so much louder. It's all like crazy loud, but now it has an exhaust note. Wow. We have check engine lights like crazy right now. Obviously the tail lights are unplugged. We got a lot of check engine lights, but those will go away soon enough, hopefully. I hope. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a couple small revs, so here we go. Dude, are you kidding me? What? That sounded so good when I revved it. Whoa, that was so much better. Okay, as you might say, now we're rolling. Well, first, well, I have to install all of this, and then we'll be rolling. Passenger random heat shield around exhaust. That's what we need. Low key, I've been dreading this part of the reinstall the entire time. That is somehow getting this rear spoiler back into place. We have no choice. We need the persuader. Trust me guys, I get it. I don't want to take a hammer to my Audi R8 either, but sometimes in life, it just needs a little persuasion. Bang! That's how we do it. That's how we do it. So these are for the spoiler. We are installing the air box back in. Once again, unprepared. This is the same old air filter. I apologize for that, but well, it happens. Hey, there we go. It is, we're getting there, boys. We're almost done. Now we just gotta put the taillights back in. Theoretically, close this now. Check out that back end. I think we definitely need to go drive this thing around just briefly, you know, for scientific reasons, make sure everything is buttoned up before putting on the rear bumper. So I gotta put on the rear tires here real quick, and I also gotta figure out what to do with all this wiring. Wait for it. I'm gonna get in so much trouble. Oh, perfect, a red light. That's what we need. Wait for it. What? This car is completely transformed. It sounds so good. It sounds like a modern day muscle car. Well, look what you have there. How convenient is that? An underpass. So I have a couple check engine lights right now. The license plate lights and the rear spoiler, both of those are disconnected right now, but as soon as we get home, we'll connect them. Okay, and go. My heart just skipped 2 beats. That is a police officer right there. I am legal. I have a license plate, I have taillights. I just don't have a backup camera, and that's fine. I've been working on the R8 all day. I haven't eaten all day. It seems like a prime opportunity for a food vlog. Yes, we're back here at In-N-Out, and yes, in the last video I ate at In-N-Out, but it's a time to celebrate because we're not done, but we're pretty much done. I can't even begin to describe how this AWE straight pipe setup has completely transformed this car. It sounds like a modern day muscle car. It's so grunty, it's so mean, it has so much character, whereas before it was so pathetic and so embarrassing, and now it's not. And it's not like obnoxious either. I was just cruising on the interstate at like 80 miles per hour. There's no like annoying drone. It's definitely louder. It's so loud and obnoxious. How's it going, man? Thank you. Thank you. Have a good one. It's so loud. It's so good. I don't know how the audio is picking it up right now. This car is just ridiculous now. Wait for it, wait for it. Timing is essential. Hit it. We need to be on our very, very best behavior. And we also need to get out of here very quickly after we create a little bit of carnage. We're here at my favorite parking garage, and that well? 19 days ago, we were parked in this exact same spot, in this exact same parking garage with the factory stock exhaust. I revved it for you guys. I want to share that clip with you now, and then we're going to rev it with the new AWE straight pipe setup. Headphone users probably consider, I mean, at least for the straight pipes. So the first clip, you're fine, but the straight pipes. Also security, you know, we have to make this quick because security is definitely going to notice it now. Oh my gosh, that is absurd. We're gonna get in a lot of trouble. Time to roll. Honestly guys, I would have revved it for you more, but it's so deafening in here. There's a police station just down the way. I'm sorry. I gotta make this quick because, well, it's time to eat dinner. This R8 has been completely transformed. I don't think it's crossed the line of being overly obnoxious, but it's definitely obnoxious. It's harder to control the sound on this than it is the Gallardo. Like rolling here into the neighborhood, it was very hard to be quiet, whereas the Gallardo, I can pop it into third gear and nobody even hears me. This car, in the comments below, let me know, do you enjoy watching me work on my own car? And also, should I leave the back bumper off? I mean, obviously temporary, I wouldn't do it long term, more just for like a couple days. So the problem is that the backup camera doesn't work. There's also check engine lights on check engine lights. Nick!
Bro, the neighbors have been calling me down the street. I've gotten 10 calls just in the time that you came.
It's so loud. It's louder than the Gallardo.
It's
like,
just, yeah.
You can't control, it's the problem.
Yeah.
I can't control the sound of this. The Gallardo I can.
I told them all,
okay,
hey, this is great.
This is just
Enjoy
life.
it. It's a symphony of life.
There we go. Symphony of life. Wow, and that is going to...
I got your back, keep it up.
See, that's what I like to hear. That is going to effectively end today's video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.